This is the elevator at the Holiday Inn Express in Tampa, Florida. This one is near Busch Gardens. Here we are at 4. Let's go down to 1. Here's your cab view. There is a wet floor sign in the elevator, as you can see, and we're stopping. Let's go 4. While we're here, I just thought I'd show you something. The color used for floor 4 is green, and it is actually different on each floor. So I just thought that we'd go by all the others just to show you what they are, because some of you watching this video are going to be curious. So there's the inspection certificate. I think someone may have called it up. There, it says green. Not green. Why'd I say that? Orange. This one is orange. Let's call this one down first. Okay, we got it going down. So let's go 2. I said green because the floor is green. The wall is orange. Floor 4 is green. 3 is orange. Let's see what 2 is. Two is it's this light blue. All right, let's now let's head down to 1. And does 1R work? Whoa, look at that. I'm not sure if I caught that in camera, but 1R is actually a different color than 1. Yeah, and then that lights up saying restricted floor. So weirdly enough, I hit 2 and it didn't work for a minute. You know, what does this say? Something from John F. Kennedy. Huh. So, I just want to go inside this one again because I didn't show the certificate. So I thought I'd do that. Alright. There they go. And that'll be it.